Hello guys, this is definitely not the video I thought I was going to be filming, but I'm super excited for it. As you saw in the title, the Discord server is here. I really second guessed myself. I was thinking January might be better to start this so that it's like a fresh start, but I realized that December is kind of a time where a lot of people have time at home, they're creating. I really want you guys to start the community and like, why not? Why are we holding back from starting it? So I just wanted to get started and say that the Discord server is live now. I just wanted to make a quick video and kind of take you through the different pages and show you how to use it. I'm really excited for this. I get to talk to you guys now versus me just talking at the camera every time. So I'm really excited to have a dialogue, really hoping to learn some things from you. And I hope that I'm able to share some really interesting things. So let's jump on the computer and I will show you the Discord server and what it is now. Okay, so let's jump into it. You can open the Discord browser or download it for your computer. I'm sure most of you are going to be coming from YouTube, for example. So from this video, the link is below. Or you can head to My Community tab and you'll be seeing the Art Prompts December. I'm also going to push another one, but the link is just right here. So if you just want to go ahead and click that, it'll get you directly to where you're looking to go. So it'll send you to the invite page and you'll be able to join from there. So yours is going to look slightly different than mine. Mine has these little folders here, but yours will just have the information where it says start here. So you're going to go to start here and kind of look through the information. It basically just has a little blurb there of everything that's going on and some kind of guidelines. And it talks a little bit about what each channel is going to offer. So we have like the show and tell gallery, for example, which is where you can post your own work, which is where I'm probably the most excited to see things. There's general, where you can put in things about maybe art business. I might make a specific art business channel. I feel like that might be useful to you guys as well. So yeah, we'll definitely look into that. And we also have questions, ideas, and feedback. This is where you can go about the server, ask about the server, ask questions about me, whatever you want, really. And the most exciting part, and I think is going to be the most valuable to you guys, is these voice channels. Now, I've made a lounge, which is going to be like the more classic, literally just like a virtual lounge. I'm hoping that if you meet people on the server and you guys want to meet up online, that you'll be able to click the lounge button. So let's just do it from now. So I'm connected to the voice, for example, now. Basically, this is where you guys can all hang out and get on here, which is kind of cool. I'm really excited for this feature, and you guys can hang out and talk. And then the one thing that's weird about Discord is that if you click away, you're still technically on the channel. So see, my camera is still on, but you'll have to click off if it's not there. And I think you can just like disconnect from the call here. I really wish that that feature was a little bit different. But so you can just join with voice or join with video, whatever you feel comfortable with. The lounge is somewhere where I really want to see some collaboration, maybe collage clubs when I can't make it, that sort of thing. The live streams one is definitely going to be very similar to YouTube. It's just going to be where I do live streams, and I think that you guys can join in as well. So if I'm collaging, you guys can collage with me, etc. That's something for next year I'm hoping to do, but I think for now, like if you just wanted to hop in the lounge and see if anyone else comes on, that's kind of a fun way to meet people, right? The next one is announcements. This is where I'm hoping to post if I have any upcoming sales, art shows, any new pieces being launched, a live stream on YouTube, if there's a new video coming out. I'm not going to post every single one because obviously if you guys are on YouTube, I don't want to like overwhelm with that. Maybe it's a nice one. I don't know. You guys let me know if you want like a notification there as well. And this is also going to be where the monthly prompt lists are going to be posted, which is right here. So I will be like, hey, it's posted, and you can go into here and kind of check them out. I posted the one for October thinking we were going to launch October, but I'm just hoping to launch like the December one. It is launched at this point, so you'll be able to log in and see it here. So this is where you're going to want to post any work that's made with the prompts. The next one is introduce yourself. I'm going to definitely be doing one of these very soon, as in probably before this gets launched. And I'm just hoping that you guys are able to post some things and just be like, hey, like I'm this person, I'm from here. For me, this is kind of where I wanted to do like an exclusive video for you guys to watch. So I'm going to be linking that. The video was done a very long time ago. Then we have show and tell gallery. This is, yeah, as I said, I'm very excited for this one. This is where you can post any of your work and like just post like what you want feedback on or your best pieces, etc. Like anything like that. If you wanted to do a show and tell, you just push this little plus button in the corner and you can say upload file. And then I just put a little note for commenting. Like, I don't want people being like rude about anyone's work, you know? Like, I think that like social media is such a slander place. Like my channel, I get so many weird comments now where I'm like, what is wrong with you? If you're commenting anything bad, you're going to be kicked out permanently. Done. So I just want to make sure that people are using like constructive criticism. So I put some examples here, like example 1, I love the use of purple and yellow. It contrasts nicely. Have you ever used a craft knife? It would make your interior lines cleaner. Next one we have is events. There's an events calendar at the very top here. You can see. But I think that like for right now, there's no events, but I think once there is ones, there will be like a drop down here. And we'll be able to show some events. So if there's any upcoming live streams, I will definitely put them here. Again, I'm not going to be using this feature, I don't think, till January. I've changed my mind about a lot of things, but I'm pretty certain that that is not one that I have time for right now. Then we have questions, ideas, and feedback. This area is for you to ask any questions like that don't really fit into the other categories. I just wanted to have something broad. This could be art, business, etc. Here are some examples. I said new channels you'd like to see. Maybe there's a live stream session that you're looking for or wanting a certain date, for example. Or maybe like if you have some YouTube ideas or prompt ideas, I'm definitely going to be putting some announcements in there. Again, I haven't really used Discord that much. I was a part of a couple for some entrepreneurship mentorship programs, and I really liked it. And now I'm a part of a couple artistic ones from other YouTubers. And so when I saw other YouTubers do it, I was like, okay, maybe this is the right route. As I said, this is just the beginning, so go take a look. We're going to learn this together. I'm sure in the future I'll be able to do a more like advanced Discord recording. But for now, I feel like this is a good place to end off. I also wanted to include, if you have any ideas for things that are missing on the server, feel free to comment them here or join the server and then put them in the comments. So just wanted to include that the idea behind this is that I definitely want to have like some exclusive videos on there, little artist updates. Maybe I'll do like a little kind of like diary journal thing with updates on like what I'm doing that week, just to kind of give you more of like a behind the scenes on what my art business looks like. I've made an art business page as what we saw. So I think that like something like that would be really cool. Or if you guys have any questions or prompts or whatever, I can definitely like answer them in like a short video form versus having to make like an entire video about it. And I think that that would be super helpful for you guys. So if you're seeing this video, it is live. Get on there. I'm super excited to have you guys. I'm just really excited to see where this goes. Instead of like putting expectations on it, I just want it to be organic. See what happens, what the community is like. Maybe it's smaller, maybe it's bigger. Maybe when we want to have like online hangouts, you know, like all of those features that you guys just saw. So I'm really excited. If you want to comment below saying that you're in, thank you. And I will see you guys on Discord as well as YouTube now. As always, thanks for watching. Like this video, share it to all your collage friends. I want this to reach as many collage artists as possible. So thanks, go check it out, and I'll see you next week.